how to fix Gmail not receiving emails. So if you want to fix the Gmail not receiving email issues, then the first thing what you need to do is you just need to open up your Gmail application. Once you open up your mail, now you need to go for the upper left, which has that 3-bat icon. Scroll down and then tap on settings. Once you tap on settings, now you need to choose the account in which you are not receiving the Gmail. So for example, I'll be choosing the account, and then scroll down, and here you will have an option of synchronize your Gmail. So make sure that you've turned that option on. And if you don't have that option on, then go and turn it on. Once you turn that on, now you need to go for the second step, which is you need to go with your settings, open up your settings, scroll down, go with apps, and here wait for some time and go for see all apps, and you can find for your Gmail. So here I already have the Gmail right here, so I'll just simply tap on the Gmail, and you need to open up your Gmail app. Once you're here under Gmail, now you need to scroll down, tap on storage and cache, and then tap on clear cache. Once you tap on clear cache, now you can also go for clear storage, but if you don't remember the login credentials, then you don't need to go for clear storage. Just go for clear cache and your problem will be fixed. And after that, you just need to restart your device. Simply press and hold on to your power button, and here you will have restart option. Go for restart, and after restarting, your problem will be fixed. So that's how you can fix Gmail not receiving emails problem. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.